Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is week 10 for me. I'm guessing I'm a week ahead now because I've been watching so many 52-week challenges and everybody's on the 9th. So maybe I'm on the 10th. I don't know. I am behind on videos also. But it's 52-week challenge. It's Transfer Tuesday. We're going to do it. It's a new month. I can transfer money to my bank because I'm not over my limit. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know how you're doing on the 52-week challenge. Make sure you hit that notification, that little bell, so you will be notified every time I post, which is usually on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, sometimes Fridays and Saturdays. That's every other week, and then Sundays. So I post a lot, you guys. But anyway, so we're going to do our Transfer Tuesday first. So I have my tablet for you guys and I already pulled it up and everything. So today I'm going to do $15. So we're going to push enter and submit. So right now I have $241.37 in my savings. So whenever you see this next week, you know, it's probably going to have like $1,000 and something because of bills. Just to let y'all know. And then don't pay attention to that $1,226. We still have to pay rent, which should be coming out tomorrow. But anyway, so that is our Transfer Tuesday. If you want to know more about Transfer Tuesday, go over to Penny's Not Perfection. She's the one who started it, and I am following her this year every Tuesday, or hopefully trying to do every Tuesday. All right, moving along to 52-week challenge. Now, I don't know who was the creator of the 52-week challenge, but you can always, you know, Google search or YouTube search, and there's a ton of people who does 52-week challenge. So how I do it is I literally just pick every single number. I don't go in order. I don't go backwards. So I pick whatever I want. So you can do whatever you want also. Not judging you. It's your challenge. You do you, okay? So today we are doing 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So we are doing $19, and I always color it in, which I'm going to need a new color because this keeps slipping. So maybe we'll pick another color. All right, but let me know how y'all are doing this challenge, because I watch a lot of people who does this challenge and they are killing it, you guys. They really are. So go and watch some more if you want some more. And if not, then just jump right ahead. You'll end up with $1,378. So $1,378 at the end of the year. And that's incredible. I'm not sure what we're going to do. I think we're going to put half of it towards money. Half of it towards wedding, half of it towards debt. So, but we'll see. We're only month 3 in, so we have a couple of months before that happens. All right, so we are going to count it, and I'm actually going to show y'all this layout that I did. 2, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So $138, so that is great. All right, and then let me show you before we end the video. So we're going to flip it all the way in the back. So I made this little layout with my washi and some pens, you know, you guys. All right, so 52-week tracker. So I am on week 10. And we put $19. So that is $138 is how much we put in today. So that is actually really good, and we are killing it, you guys. So yeah, let me know how you are doing this week, and I will see you guys. When will I see y'all? Oh, on weekly check-in. So make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know how you're going to be doing it, and make sure you hit that notification, and I will see you guys later. Bye.